Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Kamusta kayo dyan? Grabe, sobrang lamig dito ngayon. It's -28. So ayan, ganyan itsura sa labas. Maaraw pero sobrang lamig. So display lang yung araw. For today's video, I'm so excited kasi we're going thrift shopping. Mag-ukay-ukay tayo. So may pupuntahan tayong thrift store shop dito na specifically for kids lang. Kasama ko si Habi ngayon na camera shy. So on the way kami ngayon sa thrift store shop na to. Thrift store shop. And yeah, I'm just so excited. Sana may mahanap tayong, good deals. Iniisip ko bumili ng mga bagong damit ni baby. Clothes, maybe toys also, and books. Sana may makita tayong ganun. And ano pa ba? Yeah, I'm just so excited kasi ukay-ukay is parang may stress reliever kahit nung nasa Baguio pa. Alam niyo na mga friends natin dyan. Hello! Shoutout sa inyo! So yan, mag-ukay-ukay tayo and we'll see you there. Let's go hunting! Once upon a child. Gulag. Huh? Our strollers.
Now we're gonna go home, okay? You need you want to go home right after you go?
we're home. Ayan, saglit lang kami dun kanina pero may nabili naman tayo so far. It was an amazing thrift shopping experience for my 3-month-old baby. So, ito yung mga nabili natin sa bag na to and meron pa sa gilid. So, yan. Before kong ipakita sa inyo, fun fact muna, yung Once Upon a Child thrift store, they actually buy and sell gently used or slightly used kids' toys, shoes, and baby gears. So, pwede mong dalhin yung items mo, mga gently used items mo sa store nila and then you can get a cash on the spot. Pero syempre, they have to evaluate mo na yung items niyo bago nila tanggapin. Wala lang, na-amaze lang ako kasi this kind of thrift store, bukod sa nakakabawas ng, landfill waste, talagang huge budget saver, lalo na sa panahon ngayon na sobrang mahal ng mga bilihin. Tapos, alam nyo ba na itong Once Upon a Child thrift store, it is the largest franchisor in the children's resale industry. Wala lang, ginugol ko lang para sa inyo. But yeah, it's interesting lang kasi, what a great way to recycle kids' clothes. Lalo na, alam naman natin, gano'n kabilis lumaki ng mga bata sa mga damit nila, sa shoes nila. So, alam mo yun, actually, tinanong din namin yung cashier, if, for example, itong mga nabili naming items, if na-outgrew na ni Jensen, pwede ba naming ibalik din sa store and, parang ibebenta rin, buy and sell basically. And yeah, they said pwede naman. So i-evaluate lang din muna nila yung item, syempre, before nila tanggapin. So, yun, like I said nga, just go to their store, bring your items, mga gently used items, take note on that. And then there, you can get a cash or papalitan nila ng cash on the spot. No need to book any appointment, basta punta lang kayo sa store. So, yun. And itong Once Upon a Child thrift store, it's the largest children resale industry in Northern America. So, sa US and then Canada. Wala. Yun lang. Na-amaze lang ako. Alright, so let's dive in. Umpisahan natin sa bag na to. So, yung laman nito mostly are onesies and bodysuits. So, ito. Ito muna. Nakita lang ako sa design niya. And this is $4. Brand Lazy One. So, ito $4 na. So, pag sa Walmart or sa mall mo bibilhin, I would guess na maybe nasa $10-15. I'm not too sure, pero for me, itong $4 na to, good deal na siya sa damit na to. Okay din. Okay din naman yung niya. Like, no signs of yun na overused. Hindi naman siya. And then, itong onesie na to. Ay, bodysuit pala na to. I just love the color. Yun lang. So, kinuha ko pala is mga 3 to 6 months na. So, para naman tumagal at magamit naman ni baby ng kahit sabihin mo ng 5 times. Oh, and this one is $6. This is $5 also. Hindi pa siya nalalabhan, pero yun later. So, yan. Nasa 3 to 6 months yung age. Ito, itong dalawang to, pair na siya, $5. Pag sa Walmart mo to bibilhin, nasa $10 to. So, good deal na siya, half the price. Also, ito, binili ni hubby. Ewan ko, mga shirt, mga statement shirt. Yan ba yung tawag dito? Oh, naka ano pa, clearance. $3. And then, this one also, clearance. Ba't ano bang brand nito? Real Tree. Oo nga, ang ganda pa nung tela. Hindi pa siya gamit. Nice, nice, nice. And some pants. Ayan, ito ay $4. Nice. Pero, ito, yung pinaka-highlight and feeling ko panalo ako is books. So, first, itong napili kong book for baby. It's a board book. And yun, look how colorful. Wala pa siyang sign na nagamit. So kanina, sinanitize ko lang siya ng alcohol each page. Hindi naman siya nabasa. So konting punas lang. Yan, so ma-enjoy to ni baby. And Blippi, look. Oh, ito talaga. Feeling ko dito ako panalo. Ay, wait lang. Ito pala is $2.50. Itong Blippi board book and the Old MacDonald board book. It's $1.50. Itong Blippi, nakita ko siya sa Amazon. It's $7. So, $6.99. So, di ba? Good deal na siya itong $2.50. Tsaka yun nga, wala siyang sign na nagamit. As in, yung edges niya, walang, alam mo yun, walang mga bend edges. Also, itong Old McDonald's. Nakita ko, nasa ganong range, nasa ganong price din. So, mga $5 to $7. Pero nabili ko lang siya ng $1.50. So, yun nga, the highlight or feeling ko this is the great deal talaga na nakuha ko doon. Look! Ito, books, oh. It's a collection book ng Disney. So, Disney, wait lang, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 10 na Baby First Disney Book Collection. Saan ka pa, di ba? As in, hindi pa siya nagamit. Chinek ko na bawat pages, promise. Talagang, walang sign na nagamit. Siguro may konti lang. Ito, kakakita ko lang ngayon. So, I'll show it to you later. Yan. And, wala, na-amaze lang ako. So, ang daming books ni baby. Sorry. Puro kalibro ngayon, anak. And, yeah, I'm just so happy. So, yan, bawat isa, it's $1.50. So, may nakita akong ganito sa online. May nakita ko sa eBay. As in, same na same. Tapos, worn out pa yung pages. Tama ba yung term? Basta mayroon ng, damage yung mga pages niya. Tapos, binibenta ng $7. Pero ito, nakita natin, $1.50, panalo na tayo. Feeling ko talaga. Judge nyo ko. But yeah, meron tayong 10 pieces of Disney books collection. I'm just so happy. So yeah, that's about it. First time nating pumunta doon. So for sure, babalik talaga tayo kasi okay naman. It was a great experience, thrift shopping experience. Alright, that's it for today's video. So if you enjoyed coming along with me and want more videos like this, don't forget to hit like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Take care, Mama. Wow. Look, it's a cow. And on that farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. You like it? Okay. Punas ng